The CleanSMART system is a comprehensive closed-loop sanitation program designed for 3-compartment sinks, along with meat processing and butcher areas with cleaners, degreasers, sanitizers, and equipment designed to promote cleanliness and prevent foodborne contamination. The sink dispensing unit accurately dilutes and distributes the pot and pan detergent along with a sanitizer through the PackSmart cap. CleanSMART Pot and Pan SC is a concentrated blend of detergents, rinse additives, wetting and foaming agents to clean pots, pans, utensils, trays, glassware, and equipment parts. This detergent is an integral component of the CleanSMART system for use in facilities with 3-compartment sinks.